Just to start, I want to mention that so basically this idea came when I started to think about the functionalities and the capabilities missing from the Ant Media. So in here, like I noticed that Ant Media is really good at delivering video, but it's missing one thing, which is understanding the delivered video. So in here, this project was basically like born from this idea. What if the stream that flows through the Ant Media server can be automatically analyzed and people tracked, zones monitored, and speed violations flagged as well? So this is what StreamGuard does. And you're looking here now at a live system. It's running on AMS server. So it has like 6 camera feeds flowing through the Ant Media server with real-time AI detection, which I will be enabling at a later stage. So it runs on every single frame. And as you can see, this is not a recording. Probably it's lagging a bit. So it's actually being detected as a real live from the Ant Media server, but I'm just using pre-recorded videos, simulating them in the AMS. So the first thing I want to do is, as you can see here, we have like multiple toggles on each video. So for example, if I enable this, then you would see the real-time AI detection on every single one. Well, I have like 6 different videos. Each one I will be presenting a certain functionality that I developed. So basically, this is also supporting HLS and WebRTC. And I will switch for the demo version for a single video. So in here, you can calculate like the incoming number of people and the people exiting a certain virtual line. So this can be also defined by the user on this platform. And it has like its labels, so the user defining this zone can know what it is doing. You can also flip or clear or just simply. So let me disable this, go to the market square. So this market square actually is calculating how many people are inside of a certain zone. And of course, we also have the zone creations here as well. So we have like multiple zones. You can add another one, but we will leave this one for the demo. So just save the zone, enable the AI overlay, and it will give us real-time calculation of how many people are inside of a certain zone. So this can be used like in, for example, I thought like about the idea of COVID, because at a certain stage, we had like certain parties were allowed and certain events allowed, but at a certain number of people. So this can be useful someday. For the vehicle tracking, of course, we also have, again, the zone definition, and we have like real-time speed tracking. It uses perspective transform. So as you can see, this is not a linear footage, and as you can see, like it's kind of smaller like from the back and big wider in the front. So this like uses perspective transform with real-time axis, and it determines the real speed of the vehicles. Okay, so in here, in these 2 videos, the parking lot A and parking lot B, I'm showing the exact same capabilities, which is loitering and intrusion. Basically, this is a defined spot also by the user. And when I switch to the AI overlay, then it would detect if people are inside this restricted zone, or are people are loitering, or they are not allowed to be there. Basically, this can be used also in some restrictive zones in like higher facilities or manufacturing zones, for example. The parking lot B as well has the same thing. Probably here we can see, yeah, you can see that it is detecting that. And it gives also IDs to the person. So when he exits the field of the camera and he comes back, then he is assigned the same exact number. Because also there is a detection in the background that is going on. So for example, if he exits the zone for 5 seconds and comes back in less than 5 seconds, then the counter would not reset to 0. It would keep counting. And that's how it detects the loitering. For the pedestrian role, Basically, I just use the initial first video. Basically, here it just detects in predefined zones. Of course, it detects like how long people are spending time inside of a certain zone. And this came like from the idea of a study I read about that people are trying to optimize uh, how long people spend time inside of a supermarket, and they study their patterns in the spots inside of a supermarket. So in order to know which spots to optimize. Okay, moving on quickly here. So yep, just coming back here. So I would like to enable this because this is like the live creation of incidents. Basically, we would see like new incidents being created at the same time. Each incident is created here. It has a live option. Some of them, for example, the intrusion, I added the clip, which is a 5-second clip, and it has a severity based on the amount of people detected inside of that zone. In the snapshot, we also have an overlay, and when we hover the cursor over it, you can see the people there and the confidence metric as well. So I would just disable these so you not get bombarded by incidents, since these videos are on loop and they will keep generating incidents. In here, this is the incident management page. If I try to access one, it's just the same thing, and you acknowledge and skip it. Well, basically, I tried like to make it as close to Jira in like or like the incident current products. And we also have like the analytics page, which has like some filters to it, and it just uses a pre-templated incident AI security daily briefing. So this is basically what is provided in this video surveillance system. So this what makes like that Ant Media has a really good streaming infrastructure, but what it needs, this is how the idea came. What it needs an intelligence layer. So this is actually StreamGuard. StreamGuard is that layer. It's actually built as a plugin, but currently it runs on an EC2 instance in AWS using the GPU inference, and it turns any Ant Media stream into a smart stream. It's designed like as a marketplace plugin as found in AWS. And basically, any user can install it, points their camera to the AMS, and StreamGuard would just detect any single stream coming to the AMS server. It can get instant AI detection, incident management, and analytics without any settings required, except for the vehicle traffic, because it needs perspective transform configuration for the exact perspective of that video setup. So yeah, basically, this is my project. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Taha. By the way, there was some frame drops, FPS drops because of
Yes.
the connectivity. But I saw your videos. In your video, it was better. So I want to just
Thank
say
you.
this.
Yeah, I hope that it didn't, the frame drop did not affect anything.
Yeah, actually, the judge has
So,
also watched your video. So
okay,
I just want to inform the people about that.
great, awesome.